Okay, added on to the single turbo kit videos. Right now we have a stage 2 single turbo kit. So these specs are 1 5/8 primaries, 2.5 inch crossover. This is the AC compatible header over here. For mock-up we have a Master Power 70mm turbo, 3-inch cold side piping. Let's get a better angle here. Throttle body. This is a speed density car, so nothing for the mass air meter. If there was a mass air meter, it would be going right here. So, and we do generally use a 7-inch Pro-Am or PMAS mass air meter recommendation. Coming through our mock-up intercooler tube here. We're going over to around the radius port, coming back, and up to the turbo. So that is that. Let's see, what else can we add? Got a nice tight slip joint right there underneath the crankshaft pulley. Got our marker spot for our tile wastegate, which let me pause it and I'll put it on there really quick, mocking it up. Alright, so got that on there. Got my marks, you can see I already did. And it fits right in this nice little spot right here. Nothing in the way. Can get it on, get it off, do whatever you need to do. Good install point. And let's see. I'll take some B-roll footage. We do have, this customer has a 1-inch spacer, so we got a mocked up 1-inch spacer there. He's also running EGR. You know, some options you have when either ordering just a cold side or the complete kit is I want to know, are you using EGR spacer? Are you using a intake spacer? All that kind of stuff makes a difference on the cold side piping. Here's some cold side welds. Here's where O2 bungs are going to go, 2 O2 sensor bungs. Let's go through, check out some more welds. Not show quality, but decent. And this is all done with the Miller Dynasty. And actually I just got to weld up some aluminum, so AC 70 amps. Normally I could do 75 amps, but it depends on the metal. Whenever you get into these tighter corners right here where it's thinned out, you definitely want to be careful with the foot pedal. Anyways, this kit it's going to be set up for March alternator kit, AC and power steering. Customer, I believe, is in the south, so I did give him the option, seeing if he wanted to go with either or. Got some nice spark plug room there. That's about it. This is Jeff, Pointing Down Performance. Again, this is stage 2, original design, single turbo kit.